नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all the devotees and Samaj, Sriman, Manas, Kanika, Buddha. Listen, everyone sitting with us all over the world, my love and listen. I'll first reveal the truth, powerful cognition through which you can manifest powers today. Listen carefully. Listen intensely. Center your gender identity on consciousness rather than your body or mind, then you will understand the science of engaging with life and relationships without getting into sexual act. The science of entering into relationship with the whole universe without engaging physical or sexual act is pure power manifestation. Listen, listen, I'll repeat. Do not take your consciousness, life for granted. Center your consciousness on Paramashiva. Center even your gender identity. Understand, the science I am teaching you now is the most powerful, beautiful power manifestation science. Center even your gender identity on consciousness instead of your body. Listen, when you look in, even before you remember your gender as a male or female, center your core existence on your consciousness. Remember your consciousness. You are pure consciousness. On that understanding, cognition, you are pure consciousness. If you build your existence, understand, the more and more you remember your consciousness, more and more you engage yourself with the understanding your consciousness, more and more the nectar based chemicals and hormones will happen in your system. Listen, the everyday living process of your body. You are inhaling, exhaling, breathing, digestion. All this can be either amritatva, nectaric, or they can be aging, growing old. Listen carefully. You need to understand the functioning of your body is centered on the ideas you cherish about you. The more you cherish you are based on your body, the more you will engage with gender identities, then that leads to more and more of bondages, needs, greeds, fears. More and more you center yourself as consciousness, more and more your taste for life gets mature. Understand, when you start remembering your consciousness more and more, your identity will not be based on gender. Yes, I'll repeat now. Please listen. Cognizing yourself consciously, from that cognition, your consciousness, when you approach your physiology, it engages itself in the space of Paramashiva, means immortality, nectar, amritatva, all the life processes like a breathing, inhaling, exhaling, eating, digestion, all engagement with life, whatever your body goes through, everything starts happening towards immortality, being filled with amrita, nectar. Understand? When you remember your consciousness, even your gender identity is built such a way you do not seek to engage with a sexual relationship with every being you see or everything you see. Please understand. Gender identity built based on consciousness knows how to engage with every person and everything without sexual relationship, sexual activity, but able to engage. That is what I call power manifestation. Listen. If you engage between two bodies, it is sexual act. Even you possessing a gold jewelry, a gold, is sexual act. A matter working with matter always is sexual act. When you establish yourself as consciousness and being conscious, you build your identity and engage with life. everything becomes power manifestation. I'll tell you signs of having relationship with the whole universe without engaging into sexual act is power manifestation. Understand? Without consciousness getting matured, you getting aged is the worst curse. Consciousness getting matured more than your age is the greatest blessing. One of the fundamental thing you can observe in my balasans, my sannyasis, my Gurukul kids is their consciousness is far more matured than their age. I also have a good news that we have received a formal approval from Karnataka government for our Bididi Gurukul. Earlier itself, we had many approval sanctions cleared. Now, the final completion is already received, arrived. So it is very clear Gurukul is legal. Gurukul, Nityananda Gurukul is legal. It is neither a cult nor some illegal gang. It is legal. Even earlier it was legal. Now it is more like a clear stamp, authorized. We already received. And okay, now let's go into the real work. Listen carefully. Maturity of the consciousness of the soul more than the body is the greatest blessing soul, your consciousness not getting matured, only body getting aged is the worst curse. I'll repeat and expand. Whether you are a grihastha, sannyasi, male, female, whatever may be your background, do not take your consciousness for granted. It's a too huge, important component of your existence, and you can engage with your body, with your mind, with the life in every dimension of your life centered on the identity, your consciousness. Understand? This is one of the important truth I want you to understand. You always think You are consciousness. That truth may not strengthen your economical possibilities and capabilities. Please understand. You are consciousness. That cognition can increase your balance sheet. You are consciousness. Not only can balance your inner space, it can increase your balance sheet. It can drastically develop your health. It can drastically develop, transform the way you engage with life. I tell you, nothing is more powerful than your consciousness. Again and again, bring yourself back to the center that you are consciousness. I tell you, when you center your idea that you are consciousness, you liberate yourself from multiple chains of the Maya matrix. That is why the Maya matrix managers cannot tolerate my existence. See, the Maya matrix managers, multiple, many forms, the Maya matrix managers exist. Because I liberate you from multiple chains of the Maya matrix, they cannot tolerate. I tell you, every day I meet with you, I break one chain of the Maya matrix and liberate you. It goes on and on and on. Actually, now I became very strong, too strong. I'm just revealing all the truths as it is, as it is. I'm not even engaging with the lower level or initial level or preparation level. I'm just straight revealing the truths as it is. That is why these Maya matrix managers are getting agitated. Listen carefully. Your existence about everything. I'll repeat. Listen. Your existence about everything. You need to know it is from your existence. You perceive about everything. So your existence is too important. when you engage with power manifestation, how your whole inner space, the way you exist, is exciting even for you. Wow, hey, even I am able to do it. Even I am able to experience oneness with Paramashiva. Even I am able to experience oneness with life. I can see very clearly. Many times when I see my Gurukul Balasans and disciples, when they manifest powers and when they are able to move the matter, I can see the excitement. Understand that excitement is you exploring your conscious dimension. You exploring your conscious dimensions and getting excited about it. Whenever you explore your conscious dimensions and excited about it, you detox yourself from all the patterns and negativity. The Maya matrix chains around you is breaking. You are liberating yourself more and more from the Maya matrix. Power manifestors are the people who celebrate their existence as consciousness. People who celebrate their existence as consciousness. People who celebrate their existence as consciousness are power manifestors. See, many people celebrate their existence for various reasons. Some people celebrate their existence because they are master of a language. They can write poetries. Some people celebrate their existence because they can dance well. Some people celebrate their existence because they can paint well. Some people celebrate their existence because they look very good. Some people celebrate their existence because they have a muscled body. Some people celebrate their existence because they have a lot of money. Many people celebrate their existence for various reasons. If you celebrate your existence because you are consciousness, you are a power manifester. Celebrate your existence because you are consciousness. And I tell you, when you celebrate your existence because you are consciousness, see, the first thought when you wake up itself will be, Paramashivoham, Nityananda Paramashivoham, because I am consciousness. Celebrating your existence because you are consciousness is power manifestation. Celebrating your existence. If you celebrate your existence because you have large money, you are Vaishya. If you celebrate your existence because you have power, political, social, celebrity, any popularity, if you celebrate your existence because you have power, you are Kshatriya. If you celebrate your existence because you have all the pleasures of your life, you are Shudra. If you celebrate your existence because you can torture others, you are Chandala. If you celebrate your existence because you are consciousness, you are power manifester. Celebrate your existence because you are consciousness. The essence of today's satsang is this only. I celebrate my existence because I am consciousness. Understand? With this one powerful cognition. I celebrate my existence because I am consciousness. With this one powerful cognition, today do completion with all your old patterns with which you are struggling. Do power manifestation over the matter, means try to move the matter, coconut or stone or anything. Do power manifestation of your third eye. Do power manifestation of increasing your bank balance or moving the people in your life as you want. Just do this one. I celebrate myself because I am consciousness. More than I celebrate my money, more than I celebrate my youth, more than I celebrate my any other capabilities, more than I celebrate any other my possibilities, I celebrate myself because I am consciousness. I tell you, anybody who decides to celebrate themselves because they are consciousness becomes Pratyagatma Chaitanya Jagrata, means the individual consciousness in them is awakened. Whenever a consciousness in you is awakened, you simply align yourself with Paramashiva. Because like a man seeks company of other man and woman, whatever you feel as you will seek the company of that. If you feel your consciousness, you will seek the company of super consciousness, Bhagavan. I am teaching you the pure science of enlightenment. Paramashiva Jnana. Again, I want to remind you. I am revealing this science to you all because I love you all. Because I love you all. Celebrate yourself because you are consciousness. Not because of your bank balance, or because of your wealth, or because of your power, or because of your celebrity status, or because you can strategize and cheat people, or because you can have power over people. No. Celebrate yourself because you are consciousness. With this powerful cognition, do completion within you. Do all kinds of power manifestation. Making yourself more healthy, more wealthy. Engaging with relationships. Engaging with people. Engaging with matter. engaging with the universe, do everything from this one space. I celebrate myself because I am consciousness. You will discover multiple dimensions of you. Understand? In Hindu tradition, the Apat Sannyas is all about deciding to explore multi dimensions of you, multi dimensions of your consciousness. Actually, the moment you decide, I am celebrating myself because I am consciousness, you are Abat Sannyasi. You declare Abat Sannyasa. Abat Sannyasa is nothing but you deciding to celebrate your consciousness, you deciding to engage, to explore the possibilities of your consciousness. I tell you, even when you do yoga, decide, I celebrate myself because I am consciousness, and do yoga, you will see your whole brain will have the power flashes. You all may know hot flashes in the brain. Now I am using a different word, power flashes in the brain. Power flashes will be like a electricity of ecstasy, joy, bliss, the Kundalini flash. Whenever you engage a powerful cognition in your inner space, if you have a power flash, that's called Kundalini Shakti. Kundalini hits at you like a power flash. See, morning Brahma Muhurta, 4:30 to 6 is the time when you engage. When you engage with existence, with consciousness, whichever country you are in, your morning 4:30 to 6 is the best time to celebrate your existence as consciousness. Use that time for yoga, detoxing your body, puja, all the other auspicious things. And declare to yourself, I celebrate myself because I am consciousness. I celebrate my consciousness. More than money, relationships, power over people, status, career, job, capabilities. I celebrate myself because I am consciousness. Declare this to yourself. From this declaration, powerful cognition, do all completion with all the patterns with which you were struggling till yesterday. With this powerful cognition, do all power manifestations which you were not able to do till yesterday. With this powerful cognition, decide to have breakthrough in your life. I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, Paramashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.